Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video. I'm teaching you how to draw a cartoon in 3 easy steps. Well, if you are struggling or like to try some interesting poses that for your cartoon characters, any type of character for that matter, and you're struggling with it, this lesson will be just up your alley because I'm not just doing 1, but 2 simultaneously poses that you can actually check out. Now, make sure you follow the video all the way to the end because I have some tips and tricks to share with you on poses. So, if you have your pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. Well, what's the little tips and tricks I can actually share with you? You got a camera on your phone, or your parents have a phone that you can borrow? Take pictures of them or anybody in different poses. That's an easy sneezy trick. Or if you're looking for something exaggeration or a pose that you're having a hard time, check out some other cartoon artists or other comic book artists that might have that pose and adapt it to your style into that character. And another fun one, look at a lot of different sports magazines or online sports characters when they're playing, kicking, or ready to hit the ball or throwing the ball. That whole action bit, you can see they're really in a wonderful pose. Or even watch some real fun cartoons, again, that might have those poses for you. So, as always and always, challenge yourself and you become a better artist. Well, thanks for watching this video and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.